Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we'll do some gate bits. For better understanding, please watch our concepts videos and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so this is the gate bit given in GATE 2017. Identify the language generated by the following grammar where S is the start variable. S tends to xy, means x followed by y. After x, there is y. So x is ax or a. What's this says? X tends to ax or a. We have to stop x using a. Means at least one a should be there. You can repeat any number of a's. Means at least one a. X is, we can stop x using at least one a. After that y. A-Y-B. What's the meaning of this? We have done so many examples. This is the a power n, b power n. A is followed by equal number of b's. We can stop y using epsilon also. Means single a is accepted, single a followed by a is followed by equal number of b's is accepted. So this is what the language says, the context free grammar says. So from this, what's the language? It is a power m, b power n, where m greater than n. Why m is greater than n? M means a. At least one a should be there on x, means m greater than n. That is what the meaning of this, m greater than n, and n greater than or equal to 0. N, no need to find b's because y can stop using epsilon. Single a is also accepted. That's why n greater than or equal to 0. So our output is, the language is a power m, b power n, where m greater than n greater than or equal to 0. This is what the option C is the answer. Coming to the next one, GATE 97, which of the following languages or ABC is accepted by a deterministic pushdown automata? So we already explained about different examples about deterministic pushdown automata and non-deterministic pushdown automata. Let's take the example wcwR. power R. Yes, where W belongs to a comma b whole star. You take anything where whenever before you find C, you push on to the stack. After C, pop from the stack. Same symbols are found, pop from the stack. This can be done using deterministic pushdown automata. This example we already discussed in our previous class. Similarly, we discussed this example ww power r, which is not possible using deterministic pushdown automata because we don't know where we have to stop. Whether the string the string is in the middle, we have to stop in the middle. We don't know how to stop in the middle. That's why one pushdown automata going to check for thinking that this is the middle. Other deterministic pushdown automata going to check that thinking that this is not the middle. That is how this works. That's why this is not a deterministic pushdown automata. This is a non-deterministic pushdown automata. The next one is a power n, b power n, c power n, which is not a push. We cannot solve this using pushdown automata. Next one is w. W is a palindrome over a comma b comma c. Whatever the variables it is, how many variables it is. Palindrome logic is a, check for a, b, check for b, c, check for c, a, b, c, or you can stop using epsilon. Palindrome logic also we cannot construct using deterministic pushdown automata. Non-deterministic pushdown automata is required because we have to check for the middle. That is not possible using a deterministic pushdown automata. Same logic, this similar. We already discussed about this palindrome example in our previous classes. So our output is A. This is the answer. Answer is A. Hope you understand these questions. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.